tada! ऐसे लूँ या ऐसे लूँ या ऐसे लूँ? अच्छा, स्विस नाइफ का क्या करूँ मैं? ये तो निकल ही नहीं रहा मेरे से. Hey guys, welcome to What Makeup. If you're new here, then hi, I'm Bon. Welcome to my channel. I talk about all things beauty, makeup, and some more makeup. Now imagine I was stuck on an island and there's only one makeup product that I can have with me. One makeup product out of all the makeup products. What do you think will that be? Any guesses? I will reveal this to you at the end of the video. Just kidding. In today's video, I'll be introducing you to the best friend that you can have in your makeup vanity. Ta-da! The Swiss knife of your makeup kit, the concealer. Not getting enough sleep and you look like someone's punched you in the face. Just had a painful breakup but you still need to look like you've got your shit together. Rushing out the door in 5 minutes and have no time to do a whole face of makeup. Concealer, concealer, concealer. Concealer is a solution of all the problems that you or your skin might be going through, and there's just no other makeup product that can fix it. Now there are 3 ways that you can use your concealer: as a color corrector, as a highlighter, and of course as a concealer on its own. Now how you use your concealer as a color corrector? Now I'm sure you guys must have faced this situation time and again when you're doing your makeup and you're trying to cover those bad boys under your eyes and you go on piling your foundation and concealer, but that darkness just manages to peek through. That's because such areas and other problematic areas on your face basically need color correcting. Now how color correcting works, and this is a little sciencey, but stay with me, it's not that complicated. Basically, if you look at this color wheel, you use a color that is opposite to the color of the problematic area that you're dealing with to counteract that darkness or any problems that you have on your face. Now, if you go by my complexion, I am say in the medium to medium deep category of a complexion, and if you look under my eyes, they are kind of bluish or purplish in tone, which is why as per the color wheel, I need to use a color that is orangey or dark peachy in color. So what I basically do is I apply a little bit of product under my eye with my hands. Remember, don't go overboard and don't use too much of product in one go because a little bit goes a long way. I blend it out using my fingers, or you can use a makeup sponge, and I basically follow with my basic concealer and foundation. Now, what your color correcting shade will be basis your complexion and the color of the problematic area that you're dealing with. There are multiple color correcting palettes that are available in the market, as well as singles that are available. A great example that I have with me here is by LA Girl. It's the Pro Conceal Concealer. They are available in singles. They are inexpensive. They're available on Nykaa. You can get a shade that works for you. But remember, do not go overboard. And I'll also list a few more examples in the description box below for you guys to check out. Now the second way to use a concealer, how you can use the concealer on its own. Now this is great for days when you don't want to fuss with a lot of makeup, you don't want to put foundation, you don't want to do the whole thing, but you just want to look put together, especially on days when you don't have a lot of time in hand. And this is actually my go-to way of doing my makeup on most days when I'm running errands or stepping out of the door. What I basically do is I use the concealer, of course, under my eyes. I don't usually color correct because I don't think on a regular basis that's something that's important for me personally. You can color correct if you would want to. After that, I basically follow up with a concealer which is a little lightweight in formulation and texture, because if you have something that's a little lightweight, it will have a larger surface area that it can cover. So what I like to do is I apply it under my eyes, a little bit on my T-zone, which is my forehead, a little bit on my nose, my chin, and a few dabs on my cheek, and I blend it out with a beauty sponge. Now remember, you don't want to really do just the eyes because then your face will look distorted and it'll look like you have something under your eyes but your remaining face will look pretty naked. You want to apply it a little more evenly across the face. I just followed up with my basic blush, bronzer, a little bit of kajal, mascara, and voila, I'm ready to head out the door. Now, great concealer for this option is by L'Oreal True Match. I really like this concealer. It's very lightweight and doesn't end up being cakey whatsoever, even if you go with a heavy hand. Another great option that you can use for this technique on your face is by Too Faced, the Born This Way concealer. It's a little expensive, but trust me, it's a great concealer in texture and consistency. There is also Maybelline Instant Eye Age Rewind and a few other brands that have such lightweight concealers. Just remember to use something that's not very heavy or cakey. I just use this on a regular basis with some bronzer, blush, a little bit mascara, kajal, and voila, I'm ready to head out the door. No, I always said that. Sorry, why did I say that again? I'll also be I'll also make sure to list down a few more examples by other brands in the description box below for you guys to check out. And finally, how you can use your concealer as a highlighter. Now this is great for those ladies of mine who want to look like they've got their makeup game in place. Now what you need to do is you basically go for a concealer that's maybe 1 to 2 shades lighter than your skin tone, but yes, staying in the same undertone. You don't want to go for a concealer that's too cool or neutral if you're using a warm tone concealer. And what I like to do is I use this concealer under my eyes after I've done my basic concealer and foundation routine. Again, you don't want to go heavy handed because little bit of this concealer is going to go a long way. So you don't want to apply too much because once you spread it out, you will realize that it's got too much of a coverage. Applying too much can make it look white under your eyes. So you want to go with a very light hand, and I apply this a few dots under my eyes, especially in the inner corner, the outer corner, around my nose, on my chin and my forehead. Now once you blend it out, you will almost feel like as if you had like a fake Botox. You can instantly look like your face has gone a little radiant. You have started looking younger. You feel like you might have just drank those ounces of water where you're probably not drinking water at all. This is a great way of looking radiant and put together and have your face really uplifted and brought forward. This is basically mimicking those areas where the light hits your face naturally, and what you're doing with the lighter concealer is just defining and giving those places some definition. Now a few concealers that I can tell you which I personally use are from these brands. These are my go-to concealers for highlighting. The number one is by Huda Beauty. It is the Overachiever Concealer. Remember, all of these concealers are going to be a little thick in texture, so you can choose to go for these or maybe go for other brands. Personally, I don't like to do this on a regular basis, but you do you. If you want to look sexy and cute in your pajamas, standing next to the window, clicking that selfie and putting that hashtag quarantine life, then please go ahead and try it out. So there you have it guys, how to use your concealer in one to many ways. I'll also be sharing with you a video another time where I will share with you some of my favorite concealers, and they'll be concealers of all these categories, as a highlighter, as a color corrector and as a concealer on its own. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please thumbs it up. If you have any questions for me, then please leave them in the comments down below. I'll be happy to answer with all of them. And if you'd want to know what makeup to use and how to use them, then please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Ta-da! It's the concealer guys. Or should I say it like this? This is probably my favorite makeup product in my entire makeup like stuff. Like, I am personally obsessed with concealers. I will recommend concealers to everyone. So if I have to introduce it, I will probably go like, it's the concealer guys. But obviously this is too much emotion for YouTube.